Welcome students. Question is factorize x cube minus y cube into linear factors. The given expression is x cube minus y cube. We have to factorize this expression. If we look at the algebraic formulas, there is a formula a cube minus b cube that is equal to a minus b in square plus ab plus b square. So by using this algebraic formula, easily we can factorize x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. The first factor is linear, second factor is not linear. Second factor is quadratic expression. Quadratic expression may be factorized into by decomposing the middle terms method. That means coefficient of middle term is decomposed into two parts such that their product is the product of first term and last term. If we compare this, suppose general expression of quadratic expression dx plus c, then p should be expressed sum of two numbers let p plus q such that pq is equal to product of first last numbers. First means coefficient of first term and last terms coefficient or last number. That means AC. Here our expression is x square plus y plus y square. Here b equal to 1. AC is equal to 1. 1 should be factorized such that the product is 1 and sum of the factors is 1. But 1 has no more than one factors. 1 has only one factor. So problem is not solvable in the real field. But in a complex field, we may think 1 has many factors. Suppose it is known that for the case of cube root of unities, that means 1 omega omega square are solution of x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 has three factors. Satisfying the properties omega cube is equal to 1. Each root satisfy this equation. Omega square to the power cube equal to 1. Another property 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So omega cube is equal to 1. We may write omega into omega square is equal to 1. That means 1 is factorized into two factors omega and omega square, and their sum is omega plus omega square. From this equation we may have omega plus omega square that is minus 1. But b coefficient of middle term is 1. So it is not 1. It is minus 1. So not satisfying. We have to think in other way. So thinking other way, we first making this is 1, sum of these. We multiply this equation by minus 1, minus omega square, minus 1 into 1. So sum of minus omega and minus omega square is equal to 1. And let us see what is the result of product. minus omega square. Practically these will be minus minus plus omega cube, that is equal. So we may write this x minus y square bracket starts x square plus coefficient of x y 1 for this one, writing minus omega square minus square x y plus y square coefficient 1 into y square, that is, so for that case we are writing minus omega into omega square minus omega square y square rho square bracket. Now see, first factor as it is from opening these brackets, what will be square minus omega xy minus omega square xy plus minus omega square y square. For better understanding, writing like b x minus y from this term and this term, what is taken out as a common? X, because in both terms x is there. X minus omega y, case of second term remaining omega y minus, here what can be taken out common? Minus omega square y is there, minus omega square y taken out common. What is remaining here? X minus omega square y taken out common, minus omega y. So what is the next step? X minus y taken out, x minus omega y plus omega square y. Now in the last step, see, all the factors are linear factors. Therefore, what we have had, x cube minus y cube, that is equal to x minus y, x minus omega y, x minus omega square y, which is the answer. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If this video helps you learn something new, please share it with your friends.